Incogniton. Alright, so I was meant to do this video last year, but I already had about 10 videos scheduled on YouTube. So now that schedule is finally done, and now it's time to make this video. So what is the video about? Alright, so if you're familiar with any of my other videos, I've been pushing Dolphin Anti as the best anti-detect web browser. Now, in all of my reviews and all these YouTube channels, I was always honest, and I always said that Incogniton and Dolphin Anti were about the same in terms of good browsers to use, but Dolphin Anti had a bit more of an edge. It had the ability to automate things and tag browsers so you could search them and stuff. But then I get an email from the Incogniton, I don't know, CEO, the founder, there you go, the co-founder. Get an email from him talking about new features available. And when I opened it, I was looking at it and I said, oh, wow, you can automate browsers now and you can tag, which were the only two things that Dolphin Anti had above Incogniton. Therefore, I thought I'd make this video and say, I'm gonna partner with Incogniton because now I think they're officially the best. So why do I say that? Now, like my other videos, I will say that the two best anti-detect web browsers are Incogniton and the Dolphin anti-detect web browser. But since now they essentially have the same functionality, Incogniton has the better user interface, especially if you're new. So as you'll see, this is the Incogniton anti-detect web browser UI. And when you open it, let's assume you're new. You have no clue what the fuck to do. That's why you're watching my YouTube videos. So you'll open it and go, what is going on? Okay, team management, that makes sense. Browser management, okay, proxy management. Then as you will learn, when you create a browser, you need a proxy to go with it. And with a lot of proxies, you need to keep track of them. So there's the proxy management. Now in Dolphin Anti, of course, it has the same things. Never mind these examples. These are just examples that I've used in other YouTube videos when I was talking about how to do certain things on Dolphin Anti. So, oh, you can go check these accounts out. Oh no. But these were just showing examples. And these proxies are probably done now anyway. So, as you can see, it has similar functionality. But if you're new, you'll be like, what the fuck do all these things mean? And you have to kind of click over them. What scenarios? What's the scenario? Oh, bookmarks. Oh, okay. Yeah, I think I know. Extensions. What? All right. I thought they were within the browser. I'm not sure. Oh, users. Oh, that makes sense. Yeah. Team members, users. Okay, that makes sense. API. What? API. What? Automation. Oh, yeah, automation. Yeah, I know what to do. Yeah. Automation. And then what? What the? Okay. Settings. Oh, yeah. No, I know what settings are. Yeah, that makes sense. Oh, yeah, we go to settings. Oh, okay, cool, Ben. Yeah, well, that's easy enough. And then you go to Incogniton and you're like, oh, profile management, team management, my account, browser management, synchronizer. What's synchronizer? And then you'll open up and then that's essentially automation. But for me personally, I still don't actually use any of this automation on these anti-detect web browsers because I have VAs for that. But some examples of what you could do if you were to use the automation functionality is, for example, if you're growing Instagram accounts with very repetitious methods like the follow-unfollow method or Gary V's $80 strategy. If you don't know what those are, Google it and then come back. That involves some repetitious actions. Now you can use this functionality here to create the automated process in one browser. So you can select what needs to be clicked and what needs to be dragged and what needs to be swiped and blah, blah, blah. And then you can essentially replicate the browser using the same actions that you use on a different browser, except with a different account. I kind of tried to talk about that in layman's terms, but it ended up just sounding more complicated than what it is. Point is, when you're new, because I'm assuming that you're new, you won't need that. But as you learn, you probably might want to automate some things using this. Now, my point is, Incogniton's better now. As you can see here, look, it looks very intimidating. Yes, it has all the functionality, it has all the bells and whistles, but as I keep saying, assuming you're new, it looks a little more intimidating. Now, Dolphin Anti used to have the edge over Incogniton because it had these extra bells and whistles, like automation. But now Incogniton has that too. So now they win purely because of their user interface. Now, I'm not sure if it will be live at the time of releasing this video, but I will have a link in the description because guess what? I'm not going to partner with Dolphinanti anymore. I'm going to reach out and partner with Incogniton because I have them all knocking on my door, including GoLogin, Multi-Login, BitBrowser, or some, I don't know, I think it was an Asian one. I just remember because the English was kind of broken when they were pitching me. They all pitch me my email address from my YouTube channel. They all want to partner and give me referrals and pay me to do videos and blah, blah, blah. I have them all knocking on my door, but I make a rule to myself to only partner with the software or services that I use and that I would use. And I don't partner with ones that I don't want to push. So despite me having all these partnerships knocking on my door in my email address, I turn them back if I'm not using them myself. But now Incogniton, I like better. So therefore, goodbye Dolphinanti and hello Incogniton. Nothing personal. I just think it's better now. So there'll be a link below. You can click that to get a discount and then download Incogniton. Now, if you've been doing this for a while, I will admit there's not really any difference. They're both as good as each other. And if you've been doing this for a while, the user interface won't be as intimidating because you know what you're doing. So download either one of those two. But if you are new, and only if you are new, then you'll prefer Incogniton for reasons that I literally just showed you. It's more self-explanatory. And I want to cater to the people that are new to OnlyFans and OnlyFans management. And that's what I'm here for. So anyway, I just want to give you an ear beating about the email I got and then the epiphany that I had that, hey, Incogniton is now technically better. So, but as I said, if you're more experienced and the user interface doesn't bother you because you already know and understand the functionality and what these browsers do, then either one is good. So that's it. Now, if you like my video, go smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and make sure to join my communities. I have a Discord and a forum. Links below. I drop a lot of knowledge in there. More value than any of these shitty OnlyFans management courses that you'll see. My God, I've seen some shockers. Go to my forum or Discord. Links below, and you'll be guaranteed to get more bang for your buck in them. And you can ask me things directly as I am in them a lot of the time to answer your questions. So there you go. Anyway, enough of that. So anyway, if you like my video, go smash the like and smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you in Discord.